Once you have an open cash drawer and you want to perform various actions on it, simply navigate once back to the cash drawer management page, clicking on this cash drawer management button on the right hand side. Once you click on it and you want to perform a cash drop, which is a approved and secured way to withdraw usually a large amount of sum of cash from the cash drawer, simply go into the cash drawer and enter how much money you want. You can enter $50 and you can enter a reason. And you can click perform cash drop and it will say that you performed a cash drop successfully. If you want to do a petty cash withdrawal, which is typically a smaller withdrawal for petty reasons, and hence the name, say it's $5 and you wanted some cash, enter a reason as well. You can also perform that same method as the cash drop. In order to do a no sale open, which would open the cash drawer without an associated transaction with it, it will ask you, are you sure you want to open the cash drawer with no sale? You can click OK, and it will record a no sale. And then in order to view all the transactions and all the various things that are operated on the cash drawer, you can click on this View Transactions button, which will take you to this page with drop down with everything associated with the cash drawer, as well as the user that it was performed by, which is the current logged in user. And you can see at the very start, it was opened and all the no sale transactions were recorded. And you can see there's also the cash drop that I just performed with test purposes, the petty cash, and also the no sale. And then any transactions that you were recorded on the cash drawer. And then you can have the total amount down here. Next, there is the View History button, which will show you all of the transactions associated with the cash drawer, like it being opened and it being closed. Right now, we only have this current instance that I'm working on. You can see it's still open. In order to close the cash drawer, you can hit this Close Drawer button, and you can enter how much cash you have in at the end of the amount. And you can scroll down here and you can see the expected amount, the actual amount, and the variance. So for testing purposes, I can enter the $25, 25 and 85 cents. And you can see if you have the expected amount and the actual amount, then the variance shows white here. That's what it should be, and you can hit Close Cash Drawer. And it will print out this receipt that you're given it with the expected amount, counted amount, the difference, which you can see is in green, it's in 0. Typically, this would probably be green if you made cash, and all the payment types and totals like this. After that is closed, you can hit the View History button, and then you can see, hit the Load History, and then you can see that recent transaction is recorded here at the opening, closing amount, expected, and variance. And there's also this View Details button you can click on, and you can show you all of the associated transactions with that cash drawer.